Hi guys, so I finally got my hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, and in this video I am basically going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions of this device. So particularly I got the awesome gray color, but there are other color options you can actually go for. For instance, there is the awesome navy, the awesome ice blue, or even the awesome lilac. And also in my case I got the 8GB RAM 128GB storage, but there are other storage options you can actually go for as well. Before I go ahead to open it up, if you check from the right hand side over here, you can see some of the features that are packed on this device. For instance, you can see we have the intelligent features like the best face, which is basically an AI feature that helps you to get the best faces in a group picture. Samsung is also promising us a 6 years security update. It also comes with a long lasting battery, which is actually a 5000 mAh battery. This device also supports 45 watts fast charging as well. It has a slim design and also comes with a very powerful processor, which is the Exynos 1680 from Samsung. Now these are just some of the basic features that this particular device comes with, and I will just go ahead to open it up now. So you have to peel up the seal just like so. Okay, so this is really beautiful. I think the awesome gray color is really nice. It also has a camera bump similar to that of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this is actually my S26 Ultra. You can see that they have a similar camera bump, and if you place both devices side by side, you can see that the A57 5G is actually slimmer. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G also comes with a 50 megapixel main camera sensor. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera sensor and a 5 megapixel micro sensor as well. But the front facing camera, which is at the front, is actually a 12 megapixel camera. And I'm just going to go ahead and open up the display. This is really beautiful. It is a 6.7 inch full HD display, actually an AMOLED display, and also has a 120Hz refresh rate as well. We're actually going to be looking into all of these in a minute, but obviously this design is way more slimmer and lighter than the Samsung Galaxy A56, which is actually the previous year's version of this device. This particular version also comes with an IP68 water and dust resistant. And if you look from the bottom over here, you can see we have our Type-C charging input. It has a SIM card tray over here. This little point is our microphone, and then we have a speaker on the bottom right as well. Now from the top, we actually do not have anything like a headphone jack, but this should be an IR blaster. And that is basically all you get for the main device itself. On the other compartment of this box, you can actually see that we do have our SIM card ejector too, and I'm just going to pull this out from over here. And then on the other side of the box, we just have some paperwork over here, and then our charging cable as well. It does not come with a charging brick as usual, and this is actually a Type-C to Type-C charging cable as well. The Samsung Galaxy A57 also supports a dual SIM card input, so if you use your SIM card ejector tool, I'm just going to get my SIM card ejector tool from over here and then open up the SIM card tray like so. You can see that we do have a 2 SIM card input, so you can put one SIM here and then the other SIM on the back. But even at that, it also supports an eSIM, so you can as well insert an eSIM on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and turn on, then set up this device as well. Okay, so I was finally able to use the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G for a couple of days now, and one of the first things I have noticed is how fast the on-screen fingerprint sensor is. So if you actually just place your finger, it automatically just opens up the device. It is pretty fast and a very good one. There is also the face recognition feature, which is actually another security feature, and it is really fast as well. You can literally see how the camera is trying to scan my face over here. It is also a very fast security feature as well. Something else I noticed is that this actually has a more slimmer bezels on the screen. You would notice that the black borders around the screen is now slimmer on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, and this is actually a very good one because it allows you to be able to enjoy the 6.7 inch AMOLED display on this device to the fullest. When compared to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can actually see that they are almost the same thing when it comes to this border around the screen, and it is actually a very good one for me. And it has this premium finishing that you would get on the S26 Ultra as well. well. You can literally see how curved it is over here. This device is also very slim. It is actually 6.9mm thick compared to the Samsung Galaxy A56, which is 7.4mm thick. It also weighs 198 gram, which is 19 gram lighter than the Samsung Galaxy A56. And then the 128Hz refresh rate makes it a very smooth device to actually use. And for brightness, this device can also be really bright. So it has over 1900 nits brightness. Finally, this device is actually packed with some AI features that you would find on premium devices like the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. With the Galaxy A57, you should also be able to erase objects from an image. So currently I do have this image of my room, and if I want to erase this object, I just have to tap on the edit button, tap on the AI feature from over here, and you're going to see object eraser. And all you just have to do now is to select that particular object, just like so, and now you want to tap on the erase option over here. Give it a couple of seconds and that particular object will be erased. There are also other AI features you get from the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So there is the remaster feature, which uses AI to make your photos better. So currently I do have this image, and to get the remastered option, you want to tap on this AI feature, tap on remaster over here, give it a couple of seconds to make this photo better. And as you can see, this is actually the new version of the photo, and this is actually the previous version. So it is actually a very good feature because you do not have to edit your photos. If you just tap on remasters, it uses AI to correct your photos and make it way better than you actually think. The cameras of the A57 5G is also very good as well. So like I explained before, it has both a 12 megapixel camera and a 50 megapixel camera. I also took some pictures with the S26 Ultra and compared it with that of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. The A57 also comes with the Pro Video mode. So you can see we do have the Pro Video mode over here, which allows you to be able to take professional videos with your device. It also has a phone mode, which allows you to be able to take phone videos or images with your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So if you come here, we have the phone mode, which actually just gives you some filters that you can add to your images or to your videos. You can literally see how it is, and this actually works just the same way as Snapchat works. That'll be all for this video, guys. Please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G.